अग्निशामक दळाची आनी हेर दळां मदली वर्सुकी खेळ आनी वर्सुकी कवायत सर्त तांची गुणवत्ता आनी लोकांचे जीव आनी तांची इस्टेट वाचोवपाची तांची क्षमता दाखोवपी परेडीचें निरीक्षण 8 फेब्रुवाराक पणजेंत जालें. ह्या सुवाळ्याक अग्निशामक दळाचे मुखेली अशोक मेनन आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आशिल्ले. RD एक्सक्लुसिव्ह खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
शैलेश गावडे हांच्या नेतृत्वाखाला परेड फुडें आयल्या. पहिल्या प्लाटुनाचे नेतृत्व करतात स्टेशन फायर ऑफिसर बॉस्को फेर्रांव. संत गतीन पावला फुडें मारीत फुडें आयला दुसरो प्लाटून जाचे नेतृत्व करता स्टेशन फायर ऑफिसर फ्रांसिस्को मेंडिस. वरवीं समेस्त जवान आनी अधिकाऱ्यांचे निरीक्षण केले वता आनी हातून ज्यांचो टर्नआउट बेस्ट आसता तांकां प्रशस्ती पत्रकां दिवन तांची तोखणाय केली वता. हातूंतल्यान तांचे हेल्थ आनी फिजिकल फिटनेस बरें उरचें म्हणूनय उपायाची येवजण केली वता. दलाच्या जवानां मदीं शिस्तूय बी अंगीकारून उरची होय हाचे फाटलो एक हेत, हाचे फाटलें प्रयोजन.
Annual inspection parade is an important occasion for our department. This is when our administrative superiors has an opportunity to critically scrutinize the performance efficiency of our operational units. Besides the purely ceremonial event, the annual sports and the annual drill competition amongst the fire stations help in toning up the quality of work at the cutting edge when it comes to saving life and property of the citizens. The Directorate is maintaining a healthy tradition of monthly parades which ensure that the personnel at field level remain operationally fit and smartly turned out. The annual inspection parade is a finishing touch to this effort, and the prizes awarded on the occasion have a salutary effect to improving the standards of performance. Sir, the department, which began with just 3 fire stations, today has 15 fire stations across the state.
I am happy to note that over 35 years, this service in the state has attained the status of a multi-hazard response force and play a vital role in saving and protecting life and property of the people with its activities in fire prevention, fire suppression and training. I also want to congratulate Mr. Menon to attend more than 8,000 emergency calls in the year 2019 successfully. The annual Inspection Day parade gave me an opportunity to have a first-hand review of the department's work. The impressive turnout of the parade shows the state of preparedness maintained by the department. We all know what happened not long ago when we saw some pictures in TV when people were falling from multi-storied buildings in Delhi. And after that, the fire services of entire country, they have strengthened themselves, and I am happy to see today that our service in Goa, our people, the manpower are well prepared. The government is aware of the constraint within which the department is functioning and is making necessary efforts to bridge the gap in fire station coverage, manpower